Quiet cul-de-sac, wooded backyard, and all that Mount Juliet charm you've been searching for, you gotta check out my new listing because this one's got it all. Hi, I'm Casey with Rise Nashville Real Broker, and I'm excited to share my new listing with you. This property is located at 4009 Omaha Court in Mount Juliet. It's just minutes from shopping in the heart of Mount Juliet. This property is a cozy 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a beautiful back deck and a park-like backyard. So come check it out, step inside, and see what I love about it. Thank you for touring this beautiful home with me today in Mount Juliet, Tennessee. I'm Casey Warda with Rise Nashville Real Broker, and I look forward to helping you find your perfect Tennessee home.